Dear friends, how are you all? I hope you all are calm and safe at your own place. You can see it's drizzling here, but I am happily making this video while walking uh, in the middle of the paddy field and enjoying my time as I can practice my English while making this video. Today I want to share something for the new learners. Today I want to announce one important things for the new learners. Those who want to learn spoken English with me, I will start a 30 days spoken challenge for the new learners, those who want to learn spoken English like me. So, my dear friends, stay with this channel and keep watching my videos. And lastly, I'll request to everyone that if you really enjoying my videos, then please subscribe and share this channel. Thank you.